Hi, this is John with 𝗘𝗅𝗶𝘁𝗶𝘃𝗲. And having a coconut water like this is always so important for me. Having a good option of good hydration, electrolytes, and that is gonna keep me with the nutrients that this coconut water actually has. It's really good. And what I like about this one the most is the pulp. The sensation of a soft but at the same time sweet pulp is a major key in here. So you can drink this without no actual side. Just drink it straight, really cold, preferably, and you're going to enjoy a nice drink that's not gonna be so high in sugar, and it's gonna give a lot of properties, and you're going to enjoy it too. Or you can actually mix this with a drink that you want to, or your preference. In my case, as I'm trying to stay hydrated and to low down on the sugar, this guy here is a great alternative. So this was John with 𝗘𝗅𝗶𝘁𝗶𝘃𝗲, and that was my point of view.